So it's still Sunday, 2nd of February 2025. So I've concluded the last work for today. So now you can see the dashboard. I've been able to swap this. This is the old one. This one actually took more time. That's why I didn't want to do it or start with it today. You can see the part that was broken earlier here and somewhere here and down. So I'm swapping this thing. It took a while because you know this thing is plastic, so I have to be very gentle so that it doesn't break. It's already aging. So don't know if let's see. Okay. So it's okay now. So I'm calling it a day now. Even the clock even works better than the earlier one. Let me show you guys. Where did I put the car key? Can't even find the car key. I wonder where I left it. So I'll show you guys the clock. Well, still have quite a lot of things here to fix. I must have dropped the case somewhere. Oh, okay, I've seen it. Not that. It is better than the other. Showing something AM. The other one was just bad. Okay, so yeah, the brake booster is actually leaking. So sometimes it will cause stalling. So I'll need to take care of that later. Just open it up. There's a rubber they normally change and it will stop. Okay, so that's it. And so until I don't know when next works, they will still have a lot of work. Even the radio, I'm still trying to understand it. Learn some stuff from it. So I don't want YouTube copyright strike. So I didn't have time to check the IPM with the another tachometer. I'll do that some other time. So it's not a big deal. No. So progress so far. Remember every work that I did today, which I started yesterday actually. The AC, the what? In fact, there are other things I did that the camera did not capture. But let's just say the AC, the carburetor swap, the thermostat installation, and the center cons. It's not necessarily center cons, just AC panel, control panel, and the vent, and just part of the dashboard. This is one that took much time. The other work I did at the boot, I didn't capture that. Anyway, so I think that's all. So till next time. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch out for more videos. So alright.